that tree.
Light's
Literally,
like
that tree.
I'm trying to go straight. I think I was in a turn lane. But
Yeah, you're in the, I might be in the turn. Look at that tree, guys. It's beautiful. I love this kind of weather. So we're just driving home safe. What a wonderful... Wait, what? Wonderful what?
World.
These guys. To the right is a high school, but I can't show it to you guys. So we're heading home.
Yeah,
Whee! To myself. What a wonderful world.
I think it's in water.
Yep, so we're just driving. Look at the trees, guys. Aren't they pretty? They're pretty. It's supposed to snow all until Sunday. And I'm sitting on the seat that warms up my butt. Woo! My butt is warm. The place we were eating at, which I'm not going to say, the manager and I were talking a lot. And we were talking about the weather. Oh my gosh, the weather's crazy. For myself.
Crazy girl.
Guys, oh, we passed it. Never mind. Oh, no, we haven't. I'm going to show you where I got my hair done. When I had purple and blue tips, I'm going to show you where I went, guys. This building over to the left. At the end of this building, guys, the end. See the last right there. I got my hair done there. The hair fair or whatever.
Yep.
Go there. He's amazing. My hair is still purple and blue. I've known him since I was a teenager, guys. He's a good guy. Great, me messages and I can't get to it.
Baby, when you touch me,
Babe, you're doing great. I'm proud of you. There's a lot of snow, guys. Guys, you can't see it, but literally it is snowing hard. These roads are gonna be bad. They're gonna get worse.
You have to drive this to get
Yeah, they don't know what it's like to drive in it. Yeah, I know. You have to drive in it to realize how bad it is. So anyways, we're gonna head home. I'm not gonna record no more because I don't want people to know where we are living at. So anyways, guys.